Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or add a network connection on your Chromebook device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by selecting the clock icon at the bottom right corner of our taskbar. So go ahead and left click on that, and then select the setting gear icon. So go ahead and just left click on that. Select the settings on the left side and make sure it's set to network. So go ahead and just select settings and then select network. So the first thing that comes up should say network and then what type of network it is here. So if you click on it, it says our current network is Ethernet based connection. But if you want to add a connection, you can click the little box underneath of that. And then you click on the little plus arrow in a circle under that. So at this point, you'd enter in your server host name as well as the provider type. So you can click the drop down here. You would either have an L2TP with either a pre-shared key or user certificate key, and then username, password, OTP, and pretty much you would enter in the credential and certificate information there. And that's pretty much about it, guys. If you did have other networks that were showing up on here, you'd probably be able to just select it. Otherwise, you can go ahead and add the connection like I just showed. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.